How's it going, everybody? This is Jose from the Stock Market 101 channel, and I hope you guys are having a great day. And as always, if you guys have not checked out my latest videos, I suggest you go check them out real quick, and let's get right into it. As you see, my account is getting destroyed right now. Look at that. Apple down 1.81%, Amazon down 2.32%, Nvidia down 2.6%, Facebook down 2.4%, Tesla down 4.7%, and Microsoft down 2.35%, Alibaba down 3.67%. As you see, my account is down 6.3, with the lowest being around 7.36%. Where was I? Canopy Growth down 2.6, Aurora Cannabis down 4.05. There is nothing green except for Planet Fitness, which is up 0.91%, and New Age Beverages, which is up 2.13%. But as you see, at one point it was up to 16.28%. So what's going on in the market? Why is everything in the red? Everything's down a lot. It's a pretty big correction. And as you see, the Nasdaq down 1.91%, the Dow Jones down 0.88%, the S&P 500 is down 0.95%. What is going on? Well, everything falls quite a bit as rising rate fears as a 10-year yield hits the highest point since 2011. So that's probably why a bit of a sell-off's been going on today, at least, because basically every single stock except for like a handful are down quite a bit. Look at this. India Globalization Capital down a lot, as this one's been running up massively. As you see, it's probably just that traders that were in the stock for quite a bit are actually taking off some profits, as if you were just in this last month, you were up quite a bit. We're gonna have to see what happens tomorrow and then next week if this is gonna continue to fall. For as you see, almost every single stock is down in the red. So this could be a nice opportunity for you guys to get in some stocks that you are interested in, that you might want to have in your portfolio, since everything is down quite a bit. And that's a little quick stock market update today. Let me know if you guys are picking up any shares of any company down in the comments. But other than that, please drop a like, subscribe, turn post notifications on, and I'll see you guys in the next one.